Scene script. Have you ever paused to marvel at the intricacies of the human body, like the complex yet delicate dance of the menstrual cycle? You might be surprised to know that this biological symphony plays a vital role in the life of nearly half the world's population. Our journey begins with a cycle, not a single event. Imagine it as an elaborate four-part performance. The menstrual cycle, a roughly 28-day cycle, can be broken down into four main stages: the menstrual phase, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. The menstrual phase, often simply called your period, is the time when the body discharges tissues and blood from the uterus. This phase, which typically lasts between 3 and 7 days, is the body's way of clearing out the old to make way for the new. Following the menstrual phase, we enter the follicular phase. This is the body's preparation time. The pituitary gland releases a hormone that stimulates the ovaries to produce roughly 5 to 20 follicles. Each of these follicles contains an immature egg, but usually only one egg will fully mature. The next stage is ovulation, a grand event in the menstrual cycle. Once the egg matures, it's released from the ovary and travels down the fallopian tube. This is the body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm ready for a potential pregnancy." The final act in this performance is the luteal phase. If the egg is not fertilized, the lining of the uterus begins to break down and prepare for the next menstrual phase, bringing our cycle full circle. To recap, the menstrual cycle is a remarkable process that begins with the menstrual phase, followed by the follicular phase, then ovulation, and concludes with the luteal phase. It's a complex ballet of hormones, tissues, and blood that prepares the body for potential pregnancy. Understanding the menstrual cycle is more than just comprehending a biological process. It's about acknowledging the incredible orchestration that occurs within the human body every single month. It's about appreciating the intricate dance of life, one that's been performing for millennia. So the next time you think about the menstrual cycle, remember, it's not just a period, it's a symphony, a ballet, a cycle of life. And it's something worth understanding and celebrating.